.com. Okay, you need a can. It's okay if you have like tin can. It's better than this one. This is plastic, so it can easily be mold. So first you make a hole here. One with plasticine, and later on we put the arrow. And secure the above part also, so it will not move. Okay, use compass to make a direction in your plate or in your carton that you make it into circle. Wait, by using a compass, kompasnya masih muter. Or you can use application. Where is my handphone actually? Any application you can find in the handphone, it's okay. Here. This is the north. If you want to use your protector, is okay. So this is the south. This is east. This is west. So southwest, southeast, and west. Yeah, so use the price one application and put it here. Actually, you can use pencil with eraser, but I use this one because of the occasion only. And paste your plate here. Make sure it will not move. Stick the arrow into your and good. Make sure that it can be moved. So and then put sand inside this one to make it or you can use pebble. It's okay to make sure that it will not move if you put outside. Ini yang paling lurus aja. Okay, like here, so it will. Lah, where is the arrow?
I don't know.
Okay, sip. Okay, first we will gonna to search which one is the north. So that one is north. So I have to rotate this one and wait for the wind. Actually, it will work. That's it. Yeah, because it's able to rotate, but we will work. Wait, because there is no movement of air here. So the wind is moved into southwest, like this one.
Yeah.